In this episode of Birkanix Garage, we show you how to have a sticky butt.
And by that we mean add decals to the rear end of your car.
That's right. You can obviously put them wherever you like, but
we're going for the rear.
That's right.
So we love our pretty rear ends.
So here are the decals we have picked for the MX5. So if you didn't know, you can actually follow the car there on Instagram. And this is obviously Birkanix, your favorite YouTube channel. So those ones were ordered from Seto Works. I was actually quite surprised on how difficult it is online to find a place to do those that is not Etsy. And then, you know, Etsy does have some cool stuff, but then you always wonder about the quality of what you will have.
Yeah,
when Seto Works, they've got like so many stickers, JDM stickers and so on. So yeah.
Okay, so first things first, you have to select the area where you're actually going to add your decals. We're going to go for basically just here and here on the back of the boat, the boots. So yeah, roughly here. We're going to use this corner to line it up along with the bottom of the boot, so it'll be nice and straight. And same again on this side. So yeah, roughly on that corner, and they're nice and straight. If you don't have anything particularly to go by, you can use masking tape to help you line it all up and decide where it's going to go. Because the last thing you want is it to be on the wonk. It won't look right. Okay, so once you've actually selected your area, you then got to give it a good clean with some rubbing alcohol. Obviously, you don't want to clean your own rear with rubbing alcohol, as that would sting a bit, and it's not pleasant.
Looks like you're talking with experience there.
Yeah, drunken nights.
Have you got my face?
Yep, got the face.
Have you got my face?
Pretty face.
Alright, so generally what you want to do with those before you just put them on is you want to sweep them flat again. Here Seto Works actually do that before they send them, but they recommend doing it because in case in transport it gets bended and you've got a bubble of hair in there. So you just take a flat surface, something that is already scratched, like so the boot of your MX5, and you just squeeze it out. There you go. Do the next one. Here you can see, look, there's little dots here and there. See?
Yeah.
And those, when you press, they actually go away. So obviously, little bubbles here in that area don't matter as much as in the writing, but so this is why you squeeze it. And once you've done that, we can now move on to put them on the car. Alright, so okay. Lee is going to go first.
Let's give it a go. So,
then I'll go, and then you guys can judge.
Yeah. This is going to be right there. Along like that.
That's right. Okay. So now you just have to peel the rear off. Obviously be careful when you do that, not to put your finger on any of the white bit.
No, definitely not.
And wind is not your friend.
No, it never is.
Thankfully today we are not doing too bad. You can see Lee's thinking face.
My concentration face.
That's right.
You should see me when I'm playing guitar. I have to try not to pull faces and poke my tongue out.
There you go.
Right. So right in that corner right there.
If you're lining it up, it's probably best to like put the bottom first and then somehow bring it up, which is not always the easiest. And it's a lot harder when you've got a camera looking at what you're doing.
Absolutely.
and then squeegee the hell out of it. And there we go. Let's put the first one on. And after you've put it on, you basically got to wait 15 to 20 minutes.
Now it's Jules' turn.
Yeah. I've got a longer one, so if I do a worse job, I will claim that it's because mine is longer.
It's bigger.
Alright, but we want it same position again, roughly here. Alright, let's get the focus face on.
This is Jules' serious face.
Hold on. Look at that. Already winning on the E on this one. I'm going to jinx it though. The more you give it large, the more you fail generally.
I'll just say mine was more fiddly because it was smaller.
Yeah. Hold on. Oh, yeah, look at how much wind I have to fight with though. Oh, come on, you bastard. And here we go. Alright, so...
Ultimate concentration now.
Yeah. You can use your finger on there. It's actually less harsh than squeegee, isn't it?
Yeah.
And still want to squeegee it in because you get a bit of flex.
Yeah. So even with the squeegee, I'll just show quickly, I did actually tear the bottom there. So you do have to be careful. That's the part that's coming off, so it's not important. Yeah. But even with the squeegee, I was able to do that.
Alright, so if you look at placement, your tape is slightly poking out, and mine is slightly in. So I guess
in and outy.
On an alignment point of view, we average about the same. Lee slightly more on the out skirt, and I'm slightly more in the skirt.
In the skirt's always good.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
So I guess now we just wait.
Yep, the waiting game.
Alright.
Alright then,
let's pull it off.
Give it a go.
So when you pull it off, you obviously don't want to pull it off like that, guys. You want to kind of roll it and then pull it off like that. Because obviously you don't want the weight to come off at the same time. Oh, it's staying on.
It stayed on, that's good.
Nice and steady.
Aha,
And here we go.
Too shabby, reasonably straight.
Yeah, no, it's nice. It's obviously not going to be as good as the other one, but you know, it's quite nice. Alright, I better pass on the camera and go do mine.
Yep.
Alright.
Oh, first one stayed. There we go, look at that.
Nice.
I think yours are slightly wonky.
Oh.
Now I'll take the piss. Looks good. Both look really good. Let's back up a bit.
Do an up close as well, so people can really judge.
Yeah.
You know? And there you go, guys. This is how you install decals on your car.
Sticky rear.
That's right. We've done it the first time, so we feel pretty confident that you should be able to.
Yeah, if we can manage it.
That's right. This was our first time. We follow instruction and we got there.
So that came out quite well.
That's right. So obviously, subscribe to Birkanix on YouTube, and if you want, you can follow this car on
Instagram.
That's right.
Yeah. JDM MX5.Mark1.
That is correct. Also known as a Eunos Roadster. But Eunos Roadster is not a good enough keyword, so we use MX5 a lot. And Miata, MX5. Sorry, we are just throwing in keywords for the transcript.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys,
Cool.
like, subscribe, and
what's the next
comment
one?
below who did a better job. You know,
This side.
you know, and yeah,
See you
catch
in the
you
next
up in
one.
the next one.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Cool.